The science of dating, the neurobiology of modern attraction. You think you chose your partner because of their sense of humor or their career. You are wrong. Before you even spoke to them, your brain had already conducted a multi-layered biological audit, scanning for genetic compatibility, mathematical symmetry, and endocrine markers. We like to believe attraction is a mystery of the heart, but the data suggests it is a calculated strategy of the brain. In the next 10 minutes, we are going to bypass romance and dive into the cold, hard neurobiology of desire, exploring why your nose is a DNA laboratory and why your eyes are essentially biological calculators. Why do certain people trigger an immediate dopamine flood, while others feel like a permanent friend zone dead end? By the end of this video, you will understand the unconscious stages of attraction that happen before you even hit like. Attraction begins in the unconscious stage, long before the first date. One of the most powerful players in this process is the Major Histocompatibility Complex, or MHC. These are genes that help your immune system recognize foreign invaders, but they have a side hustle. They dictate your unique biological scent. Evolutionary biology suggests we are unconsciously drawn to partners whose MHC genes are fundamentally different from our own. Why? Because offspring with diverse MHC genes possess a superpowered immune system capable of fighting a wider range of pathogens. In the famous sweaty t-shirt studies, women consistently rank the scent of men with dissimilar MHC as more attractive. So if you've ever met someone who looked perfect on paper, but the spark just wasn't there, your MHC may have been too similar. Your nose is essentially a high-tech laboratory, ensuring the survival of the next generation. Have you ever felt an inexplicable pull toward a stranger? It wasn't destiny, it was a genetic audit. While the nose handles the genetics, the eyes handle the math. Across cultures, the human brain is programmed to scan for biological markers that signal health and reproductive fitness. For women, the golden ratio of attraction is a 0.7 waist-to-hip ratio. From an evolutionary standpoint, this ratio signals youth, optimal estrogen levels, and lower risks of chronic disease. It's not about weight, it's about distribution, a visual shortcut that tells the brain, this individual is fertile and healthy. Men are subjected to a similar mathematical scan. The target is a 1.6 shoulder-to-waist ratio, often called the V-taper. This ratio signals high testosterone, physical strength, and traits our ancestors associated with protection and resource gathering. These aren't beauty standards created by magazines. They are ancient biological shortcuts, used by the brain to assess fitness in less than a second. Once the genetics match, and the math adds up, your brain turns into a high-stakes casino. This is the chemical stage of attraction, where the nucleus accumbens takes over. When attraction hits, this reward center lights up like a Christmas tree, flooding your system with dopamine, the chemical of seeking, the same neural pathway activated by gambling or addictive substances, creating euphoria and obsessive focus on a single person. But the cocktail isn't finished. As interaction continues, the hypothalamus releases oxytocin, often called the cuddle hormone or social glue. Oxytocin lowers activity in your prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain responsible for logic, skepticism, and critical thinking. This is why attraction feels like temporary madness. Your brain is literally drugged into forming a bond before logic has a chance to intervene. Modern dating may happen on digital apps, but the software running the show is millions of years old. From the invisible scent of MHC to the mathematical precision of attraction ratios, desire is a masterpiece of evolutionary engineering designed to ensure the survival of our species. Understanding the neurobiology of attraction doesn't remove the magic. It explains why the magic is so powerful. If you found this breakdown of the dating laboratory fascinating, hit like and subscribe. We release deep dives into the science of human behavior every week to help you understand the invisible forces shaping your life. Tell us in the comments, do you believe in love at first sight? Or is it just your nucleus accumbens seeking its next dopamine hit? I'm A&I, Random Creations, and thank you for watching The Science of Dating.